Perfect.
Hey Naturalistas, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I created a pretty seamless and flawless looking high textured ponytail. But I did want to show you guys really quick that your girl has inches. Look at this. I can put my hair in a struggle ponytail right now. Like, it's kind of long enough for all the hair to reach up there. But anyway, let's dive into this tutorial. So the first thing I'm going to do is create a little part. It does not have to be perfect. I'm not using a comb, clips, or anything. I'm just creating a little part so that I can slide some clip-ins into that part. This is slightly below halfway down my head, and I'm literally just going to install about 5 wefts of hair that are short. You don't want to use super long wefts to my hair, mostly centered in the center of my head, because that's where my ponytail is going to go. You can do this style on freshly washed hair like I'm doing. My hair is actually pretty damp in this video. I just towel dried it after washing it, but you can also do this on old dirty dry hair too. It really does not matter at all. So this is like the perfect hairstyle.
Perfect.
After you're done installing all of your clip-ins, your hair will look something like this. Obviously shorter around the perimeter and longer where you put your clip-ins for your long, luscious ponytail. So now I'm going to go in with some Eco Styler gel and just begin smoothing my hair back and up into the ponytail. You can see how well my hair blends into the clip-ins that I have because I got clip-ins that match my natural hair texture. So if you are using clip-ins, you want to find clip-ins that match your natural hair texture as well. Obviously, this is going to help to make sure that your hairstyle looks seamless and like it really truly is your hair coming out of your scalp. I like to go back in with a soft bristled brush to just add a little bit of swoops to my edges. I am going to go back in and kind of define my edges a little bit more later, but this is just the initial way I'm laying my hair down, and then I'm going in with a hair tie. You do want to make sure obviously all your hair is gathered as much as possible into this ponytail, and this is a high ponytail, so I want to make sure that all of my hair that can reach all the way up there is actually reaching. So take your time just making sure that this is nice, tight, and neat.
Perfect.
Now that my hair is up, you can see how seamless and flawless this ponytail is. You do not have to wrap like a piece of hair around the base to make it look like it's all like coming together. It's literally already looking like it's my own hair. So after this, if you have any hair, like your hair is shorter and your hair is not completely reaching or something's just like out of place, always use a bobby pin. They're always there for exactly this, to help lay hair down. So I just put a couple bobby pins in where it seemed like my hair wasn't quite reaching the ponytail, just so it would lay flat. Now I'm going to go in with one of my favorite gels for my edges and just further lay my edges down. Obviously, this is optional. I wanted to let my hair sit under a scarf after I was done for about like 10-15 minutes. I was rushing out the door doing this, but you can let it sit for longer if you'd like. But when you're done, the end result will look something like this. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. Thanks for watching, and if you have short hair, make sure you check these other short natural hair styling videos as well. I'll catch you in my next one.